G'day guys, this is Carl at AllBrand Caravan Centre. Just letting you know that this is the new Aqua Go that Trimmer have brought out. This is one of their latest products. It has been out for a bit now, but as you can see, these hot water systems are an instantaneous hot water system. So basically, the basic setup of this thing is, this is your on and off switch on the exterior here. You'll put that either on the bottom or the top, doesn't really matter which one it is. There is a USA version which will have a different sticker on it. That's why there's two options there. The USA one has a different option up the top there. But apart from that, once you turn that on, you'll go inside and you'll see a dial. It will be a black dial, and you'll have a few settings in that. And there'll be eco mode, there'll be a temperature mode, basically where you can set that to I think it's between about 50 to 70 degrees Celsius. And then from there on, you'll have other modes, which include, I think, cleaning mode, and there'll be another one as well. Now, in relation to these, there are a few issues in relation to cleaning mode. And what the customers sometimes don't understand is that there is a process in relation to that cleaning mode. Now, once you put it in cleaning mode, you can't get it out of cleaning mode. And what happens is, once it initiates cleaning mode, this hot water system will start flushing water around the pipes, basically. And then after a certain amount of water has been flushed through the pipes, then it will go to the rinsing stage. And what you have to do is you have to flush the water out of the system through the tap. Now, the only way you'll be able to identify that is through the dial up the top. There'll be a flashing light indicator. There'll be a long flash for the when the pump is circular through the system, and then there'll be short flashes when indicating that you need to flush the system out. Now, once that system is flushed out, you will get a red light out here indicating that it's finished rinsing mode. And then from that process, you'll go inside, you'll turn your tap off, you'll turn your dial to the off position, and then you'll come and turn this off as well, and that resets the whole thing. So be aware of that, because a lot of customers have been caught out, because if you do turn the system off during this process, it will reset. So just a little bit of information for you guys at home in relation to that. But apart from that, this is an instantaneous hot water system. As soon as you flick on that hot water switch, you'll get pretty much instantaneous hot water within the first 5 to 10 seconds. Okay, so if you guys have any comments below, just leave them in the comments below and have a good time.